It's bacon sandwich time. Re-energizing. I thought you were a vegan though.
No. It's complicated.
You are complicated.
I'm just trying to cut it down.
It's all about don't have a cow, man.
I just keep it to a minimum. This is bacon, sausage, and mushroom, which is a pretty good mix. But I do my bit. But every now and then you've got to indulge.
But
especially when you're working a weekend and you're really, really tired.
To be fair, there are way too many mushrooms being slaughtered in the world, and the production of mushrooms creates a lot of excess carbon monoxide, or dioxide, or whatever it is, which is poisoning the atmosphere. So
yeah,
good job we're doing this and saving the world. So it's day 2. Most of the trunking is prepped. We've got a slight little alteration going on here. Basically, we're going to add another bit of trunking along and up here, just for the 120mm tails, basically just to keep them separate from the outgoing circuits, which are all going to go in here. We decided to put trunking either side so that we can dress all the cables really neatly, and any extending of the cables can be done in the trunking, so that the inside of the board is kept really minimalistic and neat, and everything looks really nice and tidy. And there'll be plenty of space in this trunking if it's just got the 120mm tails by themselves, and that just means that if ever they want to upgrade the tails later or do anything or add circuits into here, they're not going to be messing around with the big chunky tails next to them. So that's the plan, hopefully. Over here, this is nearly finished. There's a cable now being run. We put a junction box in here, basically to extend this circuit all the way round along here. This is a bit of 2.5 NYY cable, and that is gonna, there's a special little set going in here, you can see. So that's just gonna be finished off, that last bit now. They're just manufacturing these bends, very professional. And then along, we decided rather than having to do like a horrible kind of set around that, we would just jump over with the cables, because it's such a short bit, it just looks neater that way. So that's going to come all the way along here. Then we're going to jump off the tray, run down with the NYY and put 2 13-amp double sockets in there. Meanwhile, back over here, the 2 Zappies are mounted on the wall, and we're going to put some of this 2-inch cable tray all the way along here, just to secure this 5-core 6mm SWA onto it. It'll just be neater that way, and it's actually less labour intensive to do it that way anyway, rather than having to try and clip them and drill loads of holes and stuff. So that tray is going to go all the way around there, drop into the trunking, and then through into the DB. So good start to day 2, and we'll see how we go. Jump on the time lapse. So, end of day 2, well, nearly the end of day 2. Board is looking beautiful. It's a long, slow process to get it really nice and neat, but we're getting there slowly. So Corey's been ploughing through, working really hard all day, and you know, just getting stuff like this trunking all nice, getting everything really neatly dressed. As you can see, I'll show you a close-up of that in a minute. It takes time, but it's worth it to do a really nice job. So our aim now is just to get the board finished tonight, and then tomorrow we can just do testing and just final little bits of snagging. So that'll be good. I say our aim, it's Corey's been doing it all with the other 2 guys. I've not really been here very much, so I can't take any of the praise for this job. It's all this man right here. Well done, Corey. But I did annoy him a few times, because every time I've come, I've been like, oh God, what about if you just did it that way instead? And he's like just about to finish doing it the way he thought, and I've like made him change it a little bit. I'm a real pain, because I'm a bit of like if I get an idea in my head, I can't, it's like attention to detail and all that, but I'm a bit obsessive about it. So like this extra trunking, that was my idea to do it, and I think it was worth it, but it was quite a lot of faff. So that is just for the tails, basically. They've got their own trunking going along, and then up, and they come in here like that. Then we've got trunking this side and this side just for the outgoing circuits, so that they're in their own trunking, everything can be extended neatly inside those trunkings, and there's plenty of space for future expansions. This is a 24-way board, so we know that we're going to be coming back adding more circuits later, and we want to make it easy for ourselves and enable ourselves to do a neat job, or whoever, it might not be us, whoever comes back to do a neat job. So,
Sponsored by Red Bull.
Video sponsored by Red Bull. Oh wait, those colours remind me of something. I've got to get something. This is going to cheer you up. Right, coming to the light. So I got a, yeah, excuse all the mess. I got stand a little bit further back into the light. I got a message from the office yesterday to say an Amazon delivery's arrived for you. And so I said, okay, just forward it to me. So it arrived at my house today, and guess what it is?
Oh my goodness.
This was sent in by a YouTube viewer, subscriber, who made it a joke in the comments that you are Nick Bundy 2.0, and I said, oh, we should get him a Superman cap.
Oh, fits as well.
Oh, that is awesome.
That's actually a really premium quality hat as well.
It's
and
really,
it's got my head size right.
It's a proper nice hat.
Like extra large. What an absolute legend.
So shout out to our friend on Instagram. We'll post this on Instagram as well. Thank you. It's very kind and very hilarious. So it's Superman versus Batman now, all the way.
Yeah, Nick's actually got to watch his back. Like, I'm thinking of expanding into Staffordshire as well. Like, as in, I don't know what I'm saying.
So these are the 120mm tails on there, all sleeved up and connected onto the buzz bar. So they're all good. And then they come down in this trunking here along, and they just loop up into the main switch here. And then inside You can see everything's getting nice and neatly dressed, and everything comes into the trunking and then either goes straight through and into the breakers, or we jointed it inside the trunking with some Wagos, Wagos, Vargos, whatever you call them. And then the same is going to happen on this side. And then tomorrow it's just going to be testing and commissioning the Zappies basically.